Happy Saturday. Happy Saturday. On this day, 08/24/2024, brought to you by online shopping called Rakuten worldwide, that we shop wherever we go and get cash back. I've been with Rakuten for a long time. I have made money with Rakuten. As you can see on your right hand corner, I made $33.46 a couple years ago. I've been promoting Rakuten off and on. Here is Rakuten worldwide business that if you shop, you get a check in the mail. Wherever you're looking for, you get a check in the mail. And they are running a promotion right now. You get double cash back. Yes, you get double cash back, and you good to go. I'll show you the double cash back. There it is. Double cash back. You get a double cash back wherever you go. And you go from there. I mean, there's no reason you say you can't make no money. At all. There's no reason you say you can't make no money. Here's a double cash back from 7/1/2024, 9/30/2024. That's gonna be next month. Get 30% cash back. Get 30% cash back. Get $30. Give a 10% cash back boost. Friends you refer will get an extra 10% off, 10% cash back on top of their current rate. You'll get $30 cash bonus for every friend you refer. It's no brainer, y'all. Really, it's not no brainer. I mean, I don't know what else to say. There's money out here to be made. All you got to do is take action and start buying something. True story. Yes, indeed, true story. All you do is get cash, and you good to go. There you go. And go from there. I mean, there's no reason said you can't make no money. Get cash back, and you good to go. They got travel for you, too. And go from there. There's travel. We needed travel. Whatever you're looking for. Everybody's doing travel now. They want to save on some money. There you go. Man, so much information. I can't go through all of them. That's why I'm making a video right now. There you go. Travel. Worldwide. Rakuten is worldwide business. You shop and get a check in the mailbox. Wherever you at. When you start using your debit card or your credit card, and you shop, and you good to go. Rental cars and so forth and so on. You know? And go from there. Coupon promo code Daily Deals. Coupon code. I know women, you love to shop. Yeah, they got Tumi on here. Tumi. I mean, they got the high-end name, the brand name, the household name. There's no reason you say you can't shop nowhere. Let's say you can't shop. You can't make more money. There you go. Wow. Yeah, man. It's been a long time doing a Rakuten video. I mean, there's no reason you say you can't make no money, everybody. Double your cash back. Hot deals. All in stores offer. Lowe's, we know about Lowe's, we know about Macy's. I'm not even gonna talk no more. Just showing you around Rakuten, what they got to offer, and you make money by you shopping. Everything is online now. We all know that. Non-believers out there, you shop online every day. Why not get paid for it? Huh? Non-believers out there, we shop online every day. We support Amazon. Amazon ain't giving you no money back. Rakuten will give you cash back while you shop, and plus give you on top of that, $30 per referral. Who don't want $30 per referral? Hello, who don't want that? I do. Food and drinks. There you go. If you hungry, there you go. Shop till you drop. Spend some money and go from there. Beauty for the women's and men's. Rakuten. You get paid. You shop and get paid. Shop and get paid. Shop and get paid and make $30 per referral. That $30 adds up for everybody. Look at this. It is no brainer. Everything is online, everybody. You know that, and I know that. Everything is online. What's happening? What is going on? What is going on? This Rakuten. It's a nationwide business. It's a free app. It's free to join Rakuten and start shopping. It's free to join. It don't cost you nothing out of pocket until you start placing orders in. That's simple, that easy. $30 per referral. Who don't want no $30 per referral? This is worldwide business. Rakuten is all over the nation. Shop till you drop. Shop till you drop. Hello. All the household names, the good brand names. Samsung, LG, Dell, Best Buy, and so forth and so on. They're not cheap company at all. They even got SoFi on here. I'm a member with SoFi. Shop till you drop, everybody. Free to join. Shop and get paid. Free to join. Shop and get paid. Who don't want to get paid by you shopping? I do. Hello. I like to shop and get paid at the same time. You saving a lot of money by you shopping and getting paid at the same time. Hello. 2% cash back. $75 cash back. 2%. 10%. 2%. Oh my God, man. Partner site. Here's the partner site. Canada, Japan, Contralia, Shopstyle, Rakuten, and France. This is worldwide business, everybody. Shop till you drop. Shop till you get paid. Shop, 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 shop. There's no more inside stores no more. All the inside stores, they out of business because nobody is spending no money for the walk-in stores anymore. We all know that. We all know that. There ain't no more walk-in. Just few stores are open for walk-in stores. Hello. Shop and get paid. Shop and get a check in the mailbox. Shop and get some money in your bank account. Shop till your drop. Everything is online now. Household name, all the brand name. It's on Rakuten. Free to join Rakuten. It don't cost you $10 to sign up. It don't cost you $20 to sign up. It don't even cost you $50 or $100 to sign up. It is free to join Rakuten. And you shop when you're ready to shop and pull that credit card out or that debit card and get your cash back in your pocket in your mailbox. When you refer somebody, you make up $30. Every referral, $30 per referral, $30 per referral, $30 per referral, and so forth and so on. It's no brainer. So when you see my information out there and see this video out here, just join for free. Gladly appreciate the support. Welcome all new members to Rakuten. You're going to make a lot of money with Rakuten. All right, thank you. Come back again with another video.